Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the side button shortcuts on Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Scroll up, scroll over, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Advanced Features. It says Advanced Intelligence Labs S Pen. Go to Side Button. For double press, you can select Quick Launch Camera, Samsung Wallet Quick Access, or Open App. I'm going to go with Open App. You can choose whichever app you want, but I'm going to set mine to Kids YouTube. Under Press and Hold, you can choose Wake Bixby or Power Off menu. I'm going to change it to Power Off menu. And now if I double press the power button, it opens Kids YouTube. And if I press and hold, it goes to the power menu. So that is how you change the side button shortcuts on Android 14 with One UI 6.1.